Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Neuro Magic Show. As you can see now, we have a brand new AI-based dashboard that is like a vibe coding component. And actually the only thing you need to learn now in order to use Magic is to click the button, quick start. So let's click the button and see where it leads us. So okay, now it's telling me what it can do and help me with and stuff like that. So let's imagine a use case. So I've been given a software development task, which is to create an API for our company's GPT. Okay, so now it's going to ask me what functionality should your API provide. I've been told I need a database. I want to create an AI-based GPT that allows my company to handle customers. My company is a dental clinic. So now what the system is doing, it's actually suggesting a schema for me: patients, appointments, and chats. Now I can tell it to remove chats, keep the rest. And then it is suggesting HTTP endpoints for me. So now I've modified my schema such I have patients and I have appointments, okay? Would you like to proceed with this schema? Yes, create my database. When done, populate it with some example data. So now it's creating a database. Let's see, patients table, appointments table. What's the name of the database? Dental clinic. Okay, so now let's go to SQL Studio, open it in a different tab. And we have dental clinic. If I select data from it, select all from patients, you will see I have 3 records. So far, created a database, no coding. Would you like to proceed with creating API endpoints for managing patients and appointments? Yes. Now the system automatically determines what folders it needs and what code it needs. And then it is using the hyperlambda generator to generate code and saving these into files. At the end of this process, and this is GPT being lazy, every now and then it stops. There's nothing I can continue until you're done. Sometimes it just stops between function invocations, at which point all you gotta do is to write continue. Okay, so now it's got the read thing. See how it proceeds. I want to have delete endpoints. No update endpoints. And now I have full CRUD update for both patients and appointments according to ChatGPT. Let's have a look at our code and test it, see if it's working. Create, HyperID, modules, dental clinic, appointments. Let's try to list appointments. And here's our appointments. Let's try to list our patients. As you can see, here are our patients. Let's try to create a patient. Name Thomas Hansen, thomas@ineuro.io, phone 1990, date of birth 20, 1974, 05, 16. Let's now try to retrieve patients, at which point we will see Thomas Hansen. So all in all, the process took me 5 minutes. Started from scratch. I had the system create a database for me. Now, of course, what I need to do is I just need to click the HTTP OpenAPI specification here, at which point the system is going to, and of course it doesn't have them as HTTP endpoints. So let's do post. Delete, get. I'm only going to do it with these guys, but I should do it with all 6 endpoints. And now, of course, the system has created an API for me, allowing me to copy and paste this JSON and just paste it into my GPT. And I'm done. I got a GPT now that's capable of persisting items into my database, effectively being a CRM system for a dentist. And it was in its entirety created with this guy, web coding. And so basically the way this works now you log into Magic, this is your new dashboard. Nothing else, this is the only thing you need. And if you need help to understand Magic, then this guy is for coding and this guy is for understanding. So if you get questions such as, for instance, how do I create an AI chatbot, then you would use that guy. If you need it to generate code, you use where the machine creates the code. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.